Hi everybody, Jimmy with nCLOSE. You can consider this part 2 of adding a mount to the Mini with an external hub that will support hardwire Ethernet. So when you're going to install this, you take the C brackets once the mount is together, and you're going to basically just start those. You start each one before you put in the others. Make sure your device is level because we give you a little bit of play. Figure out which side you want to be the top and then push them both down, and then you'll be locked into place. So at the same time, you want to run your 2-meter cable now into the hub and really through the mount. So what I would recommend is, if you have not put this on, it's a little bit easier, but you go ahead and you kind of shimmy your plastic down. You take your cable and you're going to basically come in. Depends on if you're going through here, this would be through the counter, or you come in through the side. You'll pull this up and then you'll feed it down, and then you'll plug that into the hub, and just make sure your mouse hole is aligned